Hello everyone, welcome back in another video of SQL learning. In this video I'm going to show you how to rename a table. So let's get going. Okay, we are finally here now. It's taking longer than expected. Okay, let's say I want to change this table name, which is student details, into student information. So let me show you how it is done. First I'll go to here SQL section. There, as I want to rename it, I have to type rename, then my previous table name or old name, which is student details, then 2, and finally our new name, which name we would like to give this table. As I mentioned earlier, I want this as student information, so I'm going to type it information. Then finally, as the statement is over, I have to put semicolon. I'm going to copy it in case I need it later. Then I go down here. Here you can find go option and click right here. It shows that I have an error. Let me check what mistakes I have made. Okay, I got it. I forgot to put here another word, which is table, as I want to rename the table. So that's all. I hope it's all right now. Okay, let's see. So as you can see in left side of the screen, we can see student information table. Previously it was student details, now it is student information. So let's review it once more. So in order to rename a table, we have to type rename. Then as we want to rename table, we have to do this table, then our previous name or old name, student details, then 2, then new name, which is student information, semicolon. Then if you go right here, we can see the changes. So that's all in this video. Sorry for my earlier mistake. So goodbye.